This is now part 2 of our visit to Lakeside, where we are going to be visiting with Ricardo. He is going to be doing the same as David, installing SmartJacks and push piers, so let's see what's going on there.
My name is Ricardo, and been with the company for about 7 years. We're going to put 10 push piers and 5 SmartJacks. Just like to have some settlement around this side of the house. Mostly is stabilized only, except for the SmartJacks. We'll be lifting all 5 of them, customer-wise, because trying to sell the home and leave it in good condition. No, so basically we're backfilling right now. Only problem we ran into here was someone along the way knew about the issue and decided to pour concrete under the footings, which that probably made the house sink even faster. Everything was pretty straightforward. We got to the grading and then landscaping, so we should be out here in the next couple hours.